Getting in a relationship is easy, but making it work for years to come can be quite challenging. Today we will learn the habits of long-lasting couple. 1. They are respectful of each other. To make any relationship work, you have to show respect to your partner. You just cannot create a healthy, happy, and long-lasting connection unless you respect your partner in every way possible. 2. They go to bed together. No, this does not mean you need to have sex every night to establish a stronger connection with your partner, but it only means to leave everything together and go to bed at the same time. 3. They find their common interests. One of many habits of long-lasting couples is that they look for something that they both enjoy together. It does not mean that you should do all those things that please your partner, but it means that you should at least find a few things that both of you can do and enjoy together. 4. They enjoy walking together. Many long-lasting couples have this habit, which not only keeps them healthy, but also helps them build a deeper connection with each other. It will also serve as a stress buster, especially if you love nature and appreciate the companionship of your partner. 5. They trust and forgive. Unless you develop the habit of forgiving the other partner, you just cannot make your relationship go very far. No matter how hard you try, there will be times when things go wrong. You have to trust your partner and learn to forgive them to move on. 6. They control their arguments. One of many good habits of long-lasting couples is that they make conscious efforts to control their arguments and never let fights drag. Letting arguments linger is one of the worst things to do in a relationship. It is going to cause real problems. 7. They focus on their partner's positive side. Understand that your partner will have both positive and negative personality traits. You have to work together to improve the quality of your lives. You can do it by focusing more on what they do right. Focusing on things they do wrong is a marriage killer. 8. They express their love consistently. Simply developing a habit of saying, "I love you," every morning can work wonders in this regard. By doing this, you show your love and appreciation toward your partner and make them realize that you value their companionship. 9. They reconnect throughout the day. It is natural to forget about your personal life because of your busy schedules at work, but connecting with your partner throughout the day can help nourish your relationship. 10. They always say goodnight. A very important habit that will bring you two closer is to say goodnight every night. Even if you have had a fight, it is still important to say goodnight irrespective of how you feel. Doing this will also help keep you from going to bed on an argument, which will help establish a stronger relationship. 11. Check in with them throughout the day. Calling your partner to see how their day is going is a great way to adjust expectations so that you're more in sync when you connect after work. So if your other half has had a nightmare of a day, you know what to expect. 12. Be proud to be seen together. We know there's a line between a sweet show affection and blatant PDAs. It's not showing off, but rather just saying that they belong with each other, and that's quite nice. 13. Spend quality of time in the morning to reflect and be with partner before starting the day. It's easy to get into a training routine in which you wake up, eat breakfast, go to work, come home, eat dinner, watch TV, fall asleep and start all over again the next day. This routine definitely starts draining your relationship and the connection that you have with your partner. 14. Work together as a team towards goals, short and long term. A happy relationship focuses on short and long-term goals. These goals are both for each individual and also as a couple. Unhappy couples have nothing to look forward to in life. They just waste their time on superficial nonsense and trying to live up to society's standard of happiness. 15. Express appreciation to your partner every day. Appreciate your partner. It's as simple as that. However you want to express appreciation in your relationship, do it. Do it every single day. When it comes to powerful habits of happy relationships, it's about expressing your appreciation to your partner. This can be leaving a love note before going to work, or bringing home flowers at the end of the love. We thank you for watching. Please check the description for recommended offers. If you liked the video, please hit like button, share your feedback in comment, and subscribe our channel for more videos every week. Also don't forget to press on bell icon to get notified about our new videos. Please download our app and connect with us on FB and Instagram also.